Hey there. If you've just graduated, or you're about to, and you're wondering what's next, you're not alone. Breaking into the IT world might seem like a big leap, especially if you're not from a tech background. But the truth is, there's space for everyone here. Whether you're from CS, non-tech, or anything in between, this guide is for you. Let's explore how you can make your way into IT, step by step. So why even consider IT in the first place? Well, the industry is growing like crazy. In fact, IT jobs are expected to grow by 22% by 2030. That's a huge wave of opportunity. And if you're thinking about earnings, here's some good news. Entry-level roles, especially in areas like AI and cloud computing, often start above 100K. But beyond the numbers, what excites me most is the impact. IT is everywhere now, from healthcare to finance. No matter what your background is, you can find a place in this space. Seriously, no industry is untouched. Now, you might be thinking, can I really get into IT? The answer is absolutely. There's more than one path in. If you're from a CS or engineering background, you've already got a solid head start with the basics of computer science. But even if you're from other tech-related fields like math, electronics, or anything with a bit of tech exposure, your problem-solving mindset is a big asset. And here's the best part, even if you come from arts, commerce, or any non-engineering background, there's still a place for you. Roles like business analyst, Scrum Master, and others don't require coding, just the right mindset and skills. No matter where you're starting from, there's a path forward in IT for you. If you're a computer science grad, let's have a quick reality check. You've probably studied things like Java, data structures, operating systems, DBMS, and algorithm design in college. And yes, those are important, no doubt. But when you step into the industry, the expectations shift. Companies are looking for skills like React, AWS, cloud deployment, CI/CD pipelines, DevOps, and even generative AI tools. That's the gap, and the only way to bridge it is through upskilling. In today's tech world, just having a degree isn't enough. Staying relevant means learning beyond the classroom. If you're from a non-CS engineering background, I get it. It can feel like you're behind. Maybe you didn't get formal training in system design. Maybe you're not as comfortable with coding challenges just yet. But here's the truth. It's a marathon, not a sprint, and you can catch up. Yes, there's a bit of a gap to bridge. But the good news, it's totally doable. With consistent practice, especially with platforms like LeetCode, and by learning the core concepts that the industry expects, you'll be right in the game. Just keep running your race. You've got this. Hey, I want to quickly clear up a big myth. You don't have to be an engineer or know how to code to work in tech. In fact, around 40% of IT roles require zero coding. That's right, zero. There are amazing career paths like business analyst or QA, where your job is to understand business needs and make sure the product meets them. Then there's HR, absolutely vital in IT, for hiring, managing teams, payroll, and keeping company culture strong. Scrum Masters and product managers focus on agile teamwork and planning, more about people than programming. And if you're creative, roles in UI, UX, and digital marketing are all about design, communication, and building meaningful user experiences. I've even seen psychology majors doing great as UX researchers and HR professionals. So if tech interests you, don't let the coding myth stop you. There's a place for you in this industry. Let me tell you something important. Your background is not a weakness. It's actually your superpower in IT. A lot of people think you need to start over to enter this field, but that's just not true. In fact, the IT landscape is full of roles where your previous experience adds real value. Take this for example. Someone who worked in insurance stepped right into a business analyst role in BFSI. Why? Because they understood the industry inside out. Their domain knowledge became their edge. So don't count yourself out. Whether you're from finance, education, healthcare, or even sales, there's a place for you in tech. You know what your biggest advantage is? Your background. Whether you studied arts, commerce, or even worked in healthcare, those experiences are your superpower in tech. Arts grads often have strong storytelling and creative thinking skills. That's gold in roles like UX design or technical writing. Commerce grads, you've already got analytical skills. Think Excel, data analysis, business intelligence. All of that is highly valuable in IT. And if you come from a healthcare background, you're already equipped to step into health informatics or clinical systems roles because you understand the domain deeply. So instead of asking, do I fit in? Try asking, how can I use what I already know to stand out? Alright, quick quiz for you. If you're a mechanical engineer, which IT role do you think fits you best? DevOps engineer, front-end developer, QA automation? Well, the answer is all of the above, and that's because your engineering mindset already equips you with the logical thinking, problem-solving, and adaptability needed across so many tech roles. So don't box yourself into one option. Your background gives you the flexibility to explore multiple paths in IT. So, what's next? If you've been wondering how to actually get started, I've got you. In the next part, I'll walk you through a clear step-by-step roadmap, the formula for success that'll help you unlock your potential and break into the IT industry with confidence. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Don't miss part 2. That's where we reveal the roadmap and the solution. You don't have to like, you don't have to comment, and you definitely don't have to subscribe. I just want you to watch and walk away with knowledge that actually helps you. Thank you.